mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. Today I'll be doing a wig install. Yes, this is a wig. It is a U-part wig. In fact, it is from ft.UNice. As you can see from the title, they went ahead and sent me over a straight glueless 18-inch U-part wig. One of the most affordable wigs on the market right now is U-part wigs. They are so easy to install, and if you've never been a wig gal and you don't want to do the whole frontal closure, this is definitely an option. I feel like this is giving bundles without the bundles price, and I'm here for that. I am so here for that. This right now, it feels like about 2.5-3 bundles. Like, it's not super thick and it's not super full to the point where you're like, oh my god, this is unmanageable. So easy to work with. So that's why I'm so here for this wig right now. I am in love with how easy it is to install, how flat it gets even in the back. This is one of the only U-part wigs that is actually like really flat. Like, I'm not having any real issues with it. So far so good. I am so here for this. I'm gonna stop rambling. This was pretty much a really easy install. I might do a bit of voiceover to explain how I did my anchor braids and stuff. So let's jump into the video.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my foot flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Okay, you guys, so I am back and this is the end result. This wig was super easy to put on. As always, UNice always has very good units, and this U-part unit in particular was really easy to put on because it's only 18 inches. A glueless U-part unit, so no glue, just my leave out. You don't have to leave out too much leave out, and you don't have to do too much blending because the hair comes bone straight. And if you wash like U-part wigs, then wash it, straighten it, and put it on. But if not, and you're doing it like fresh out the pack like I just did, it's super easy to install. The hair is already straight. You just probably have to run your flat iron over it like 1-2 times and you'll be good to go. But so far so good. I am really loving the hair. It's definitely giving 2012 sew-in. Like, I didn't have sew-ins in 2012, but that's definitely what it's giving. Like, it's giving bundles vibes, and I'm so here for this. Like, eat it up, okay? If you really want to like stay off wigs for a bit and still wear something to protect your hair, like the majority at least, definitely wear U-part wigs. I definitely would recommend doing some hair treatments each time you are about to apply it. So say for instance you're gonna wear this U-part wig for a couple days. Once you take the U-part off, make sure you're masking and deep conditioning your hair and just giving some love back to your leave out so that it doesn't break off, because I know excessive heat can do that. But girl, we are loving the results, okay? The results are everything. The results are what we are here for. Like, it is not super full, it's not thick, and I'm loving that. Like, you know, you'll have some 18-inch hair that is unmanageable. This is just not that. This is so easy to work with. So thank you so much to UNice for sending me this gorgeous wig. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate working with you guys. It's always a pleasure. I'm loving this. The hair feels so nice and luscious, and without further ado, I will see you lovely ladies in my next one. Bye babes. No more damages now.